Okay, so I'm assuming you're here because you want to win Lotto just as much as I do, the lottery. And I've come up with a method that I've been using for years, and to maximise your odds of winning the biggest jackpot, all your numbers. And I keep telling my friends, and some of them just don't get it. So I thought I'd make a video, and then I can just show them, and hopefully they'll all get it now. So let's have a look here. So I've just pulled a random ticket from the internet, this photo here, and I just checked that it's conforming with my theory that these slick picks you can see here, slick pick, uh, they don't do as good a job as what I can do. So I'll explain what I'm doing. So put the numbers from 1 to 45 in this case, because this is uh, Lotto in Australia, so you got to pick numbers from. Oh, actually, it's 1 to 40. Let's get rid of that. This is Powerball. Powerball's 1 to 40, and also on this side here, you've got the Powerball number, which is from 1 to 20. You can pick. Now, just looking at this ticket right now, you can see a problem here. You've got 7, which is twice in the Powerball. So basically, you're not maximising your odds there, because you basically need, instead of 12 games, you need 20 games to have all the Powerball numbers. And this is a sort of the theme for my video here. You need to have all your numbers. So to explain what I mean, if you don't get it already, start off with number 1. We'll tick that one off, and see on the ticket here, number 1. So that one's good. Number 2. Number 2 exists here. So you just go through all your numbers. So grab your tickets, guys. Pause the video if you want. Number 3. I don't think number 3 is there. So we've got number 3 already. That's no good. Let's check again. No, number 3 is not in any of the tickets. So you're minimising your odds here. So number 3 is not in any of your tickets. So let's have a look at number 4. Number 4 is there. Number 5. Number 6 is there. Number 7 we have up there. Number 8. Where is number 8? Have we got number 8? We might not even have number 8 on there. So that's 2 numbers already. Number 8. Anyone see number 8? I cannot see number 8. Oh, there's number 9. Number 9 and 10 there. Number 11. Do we see number 11 even? I don't think they got number 11. This is a really bad easy pick I'm seeing here. So number 11 is not there. I can see number 12. I'll mark that off. So number 11. So you got 3 numbers now out of 40 that aren't there. Number 12 is there. Number 13 I can see. Number 14 I can see. 15's there. 16's there. 17. Can we see number 17 in any of these? Gee, this is getting really bad if they haven't even got 17. Usually it's not this bad, but this is a really bad easy pick. So number 17 doesn't look like it's there either. Number 18 is there. And number 19. Have we got number 19? 19, 19, 19. 19. Anyone see 19? I can't see 19. So you got 19 as well. It's not there. Number 20. I can see 21 is there, 22, 22, 22, 22. Where's number 22? Oh dear, this is looking really bad. I cannot see number 22 either. So we'll mark that one. 22 is not there either. 23 is there. 24 is there. Now we're down the bottom here. 25. And I thought I saw 25 here before. 25. Where are you, number 25? It's like bingo, isn't it? Here you go. 25 is there. 26 is there. 27. Where is number 27? 27. 27. Where is number 27? Oh, there it is. I've got 27 up there. 28. I can see is there. 29. So look for number 29. Come on, guys. Help me out here. Point out number 29. Scream at the screen. I cannot see number 29. 28, 30, 29. 29. Oh, yeah, it's 29 there. 30. 30's there. 31, I can see there. Gets a bit easier as you go along. 32 and 33 is there. 34. 34. 33. 28, 35. And we'll click off 35 while we're here. I cannot see number 34 either, so geez, this is getting really bad. Usually there's only one or two numbers, usually, so 36 and 37 I saw. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So there we go. So out of the 40 numbers, you got 3, 8, 11, 17, 19, 22, and 34 that aren't actually in any of the games. So this is what I mean about maximising your chances of winning. You have got zero chance of winning if any of these 7 numbers come up on this particular game. So that's what I mean about maximising your odds. You got zero chance. I don't know how else I can say this. You got zero chances of so 7 out of 40 numbers are not there. 7 out of 40, and they should all be there because basically what you've got here is you got a matrix of 12 games, and you've got 6 picks, which equals 72. 72 is less than 40, so you should be able to put all your numbers and have them all on this game. Alright, this is how you maximise your odds. Now, I don't really like playing Powerball because of this here, you need to pick 20 numbers, so you actually need a minimum of 20 games to get all the Powerball numbers as well, just to maximise your odds there. So, hopefully this makes sense to you guys. It definitely makes sense to me. It's fairly logical. If I missed any numbers, just call out. I'll just check quickly here. You can probably see it on the screen better than I can here. 3, 8, 11, 17, 19. Nope. Can't see them there either. And this is definitely a legitimate slick pick here. You can see slick pick, which means the computer draws it for you, gives you this ticket, and etc. Got this off the internet. And definitely are not seeing the numbers I've got down here. 34. Thought I saw 34 just pop up in and maybe I'm looking at 24. 24. Let's quickly look for 34. Just had a feeling it was here, but it's not. No, 34 is definitely not there. Alright, so 7 times out of 40, you're going to get zero chance of winning. So that's like 1 in 6. It's about 15% of the time you're going to have zero chance of winning the big jackpot, like zero chance, because it's not going to come up. So what I do is I usually and also just always gamble what you can afford to lose. I just think of it like a little game every week. Just put your numbers in. What I tend to do is I'll do a 12 games, and also you can actually pick a couple of your lucky numbers. Say your lucky number's 8. You might put those in all 12 games, because when you got 12 by 6 is 72, and you take away 1, so you only need to, if you've got 8 in all of the games, you take away 8 out of your draw, so then you've got 44 numbers left, and then you've got, let's see how I explain this, so really you've only got 44 numbers left, and you've only got 5 numbers to pick in each game, so 12 by 5 is 60. So you still can use all the numbers there. Because you only need 45 numbers, or 44, because you might take away your favourite number. So you can have your favourite numbers in each game, that sort of thing as well. You can just fiddle it around. Once you understand this concept of how it works, that you have to have all your numbers in each drawer. As I'd say, each draw, not each game, because these are the games, and this is the 12 games in the draw. once you understand that concept, you can fiddle around and put your favourite numbers in. One other thing I'd suggest is stick clear of using your birthdays. I know everyone likes to use birthdays, but everyone else is using birthdays as well. So if you pick numbers that are greater than 30, 31 on the high side, if you keep those as your favourite numbers, you'll probably, if you do win, there's more chance of you actually getting a jackpot on your own, because if the numbers are below 30, so you can fiddle around that as well, mix and match, work out the best combination for yourself. What other tricks do I do? Sometimes I'll look at the cross-lotto draws and work out which numbers come up more frequently, because there are probably slight variations in the actual balls in the actual in the barrel. There could be a very slight variation, and some actually come out more times than often. It's not much, but it's, it's a slightly better chance as well. So that's maximising odds as well. And I think that's all I can say about this. Hopefully you guys understand it all. Unlike some of my friends who just give me blank looks and think I'm nuts. But no, clearly I'm not nuts. I know my maths. I was quite good at probability and that sort of thing at school. And hopefully you can follow along and increase your odds too. And if you win the jackpot, go to my PayPal. I will leave my PayPal in my link. Send me a few dollars if you win a big prize. How's that for an idea? Okay, cheers guys. Good luck and see you soon. Bye.